It's the last thing you want to see. Your home falling apart before your eyes. Stucco installation in most areas has been unregulated by code enforcement officials, contractors, and builders. We believe the main reason for this is that contractors and builders are simply unaware and uneducated. Here are the top reasons why stucco can fail in your home. At Dueall, we promise to follow the essential step-by-step process to deliver only high-quality construction to our valued customers. The level of detail necessary to successfully perform a stucco restoration job requires a building contractor that is experienced in every phase of construction. We are fully qualified in addition to providing education classes for all our employees to ensure that they have the expertise needed for properly installing stucco. Dueall Construction is the leading contractor in the stucco restoration business in Florida for a reason. We understand that the most important things happen inside your home, and it's our commitment to keep the exterior from interfering with that. We take time to do things right the first time, because more work on our end means less work on yours.